Welcome back to Mind Snacks, the place where parents and kids connect through short, thoughtful conversations. My name is Mikkel, and I'm your host, and today we're going to be talking about something I really love, and that is breathwork. Today we're talking about something you already do every single day, but you probably don't think much about it. Breathing. Yeah, that thing that's keeping you alive. It's not just automatic, it's actually a superpower if you learn how to use it. And by the end of this episode, you're going to know how breath can help you calm down in tough moments. You're going to know simple breathing exercises to reset your brain. And I'm going to teach you about how you can use breath to make better choices. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath together. Ready? Okay. Why is breath a superpower? When you're stressed, your body thinks you're in danger, even if it's just because you can't find your math homework or your little brother is being so loud again. Your heart races, your muscles tense up, and your brain shouts, "Do something." But here's the deal. You don't think your best thoughts when you're panicking. You think your best thoughts when you're calm. And your breath, it's like a reset button for your brain. I remember the first time I learned about breathwork and I took an actual deep breath. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I've been holding my breath my whole life, but when I take a deep breath, it's literally like taking a big drink of water when I'm really thirsty. Slow breathing tells your body it's okay, you're safe, and you've got this. It's like having a secret pause button when life feels too big. Here's a story called Tyler's Big Game. Tyler loved basketball, but during the final game of the season, he messed up big. He missed a really easy shot. He fouled a player on the other team, and then his coach benched him. He was so mad. Being so mad made his face turn red, his fists were clenched tight, and his brain screamed out, "Throw your water bottle! Yell at the coach! Storm out!" But then he remembered something his mom taught him. When your brain feels like a snow globe that's been shaken up, breathe until the snow settles. So Tyler sat there on the bench. He put one hand on his chest and one hand on his belly, and he took slow, deep breaths. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. He did it again and again, and the snow started to settle. By the time the coach called him back in, Tyler's brain was clear again. He played the rest of the game with focus. He didn't score the winning shot, but he did play his best. And later the coach told him, "I don't know what you did to pull yourself together out there, but that's what leaders do." All right, so breathing exercise for you. Want to try what Tyler did? Let's do it together right now. This is called box breathing, and here's how you do it. First, we're going to breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. We're going to hold your breath for 4 counts. We're going to breathe slowly through our mouth for 4 counts and pause and hold for 4 counts. So picture it like drawing a square in your mind. 4, 4, 4, 4. Let's try 3 rounds of that. In, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Again. In. Hold. Out. Pause. One more. In. Hold. Out. Pause. How do you feel? Maybe a little calmer? Maybe like you can actually think clearly? That's your brain saying, "Thanks for giving me a break." Our brain needs it, and our bodies need it. So when should we use our breath superpower? Here's some moments where breathwork can really save the day. Like when you're mad at your sibling, when you're nervous before a test, when you're about to say something you might regret, or when the game's on the line. Your breath gives you a chance to just pause and choose your next move instead of reacting on autopilot. It's not about being perfect. It's about giving yourself space to make better choices. So Here's your challenge for the week. Before you react to something big, stop and take 5 deep breaths. When your parents say, clean your room for the 10th time. When your friends text something that makes you kind of upset or mad. When you feel nervous walking into class. 5 breaths, that's it. And see how it changes the way you feel. Remember, your breath is always with you, and it's free. And it's one of the fastest ways to calm your body, clear your mind, and make better choices. You don't have to get it perfect, just keep practicing, okay? Little by little, and you'll feel the difference. And that's your mind snack for today, okay? I'm so proud of you for even showing up to listen to this podcast today. It means you're already making mindful choices. Now go and breathe, and you've got this. Thanks for listening. Share, rate, review, and have a great day. Love you. Bye. Oh, and hey, Mind Snacks is here to inspire and encourage. Please seek professional help if needed.